Hey everyone, welcome. Today I'm reviewing QuickBooks Invoicing, a tool businesses use to streamline billing. QuickBooks Invoicing is part of the broader QuickBooks suite, so it integrates easily with accounting and expense tracking. Creating an invoice is simple, just a few clicks. You can customize it with your branding, send it via email, and even set automatic reminders for late payments. One standout feature is automatic tracking, so you know when your client opens the invoice. Clients can pay directly through the invoice using credit cards, bank transfers, or PayPal. You can also set up recurring invoices for regular customers, saving time each month. Plus, with the mobile app, you can create and send invoices on the go. If you're already using QuickBooks for accounting, this is a seamless and professional invoicing solution. Hey everyone!